everyone, and welcome to our Eduvos Funding Partner Series. During this series, we are going to introduce you to some of our funding partners and show you just how easy it is to finance your studies at Eduvos. Today, we are at the beautiful Capitec Head Office in Stellenbosch, and we're going to sit down with Capitec Education Finance. Let's go inside.
Hi, I'm Tombi. Thank you so much for being with us today. So first off, can you tell us a bit about Capitec Education Finance?
Yeah, Capitec Education Finance is a partnership between SmartFunder, which is a fintech, and Capitec, which is a bank. You get the best of both breeds, and fundamentally we believe applying for educational finance should be as easy as buying a cup of coffee.
I agree with Francois, and it's because we just want to grant access to South Africans. As Francois has mentioned, it's just to make it easy, and this is for us to be able to fund the missing middle and grant them access to education.
And that's awesome, because that's why this partnership is so important for Eduvos. You know, we want to make private higher education accessible to everyone. So thank you so much. So can you tell us a bit about what makes you guys such a great option for our students in Tombi?
I think our differentiator is that our loan is up to 500,000. You can pay it over an extended term, and the interest rate is calculated from an interest from prime. And also that you can study any qualification with Eduvos.
That's awesome. And then Francois?
Yeah, I think just pure convenience is a massive plus point. You can go into a branch if that you're inclined to and you want to speak to a real person. You can go online, complete a digital journey, and still speak with a real person at the end. Pure convenience, I think, is a massive win for this product.
So can you guys talk about the application process? I think our students can find this a little bit daunting, or they just don't even know where to start. So can you talk us through what that looks like?
Absolutely. As I mentioned, it's online and very convenient. It's both available on the Eduvos website as well as on capiteceducationfinance.co.za. There are two options. The one is to get an estimate if you just want to see what you qualify for, and then there's the option to actually apply for a loan. If you just want to see what you qualify for, that is like a 3-minute, very quick process where we ask the details of you as the student, what you are studying with Eduvos, the amount that you will want to apply for, and then we come back to give you the various options over how long you can pay, which makes it very convenient to apply.
That's awesome. So right off the bat, they can get an estimate. They know exactly what their payment plan is going to look like for the next couple of years. So it's something they don't need to worry about. And so then what happens? They can get the estimate, and then what happens next?
Yeah. So if you want to apply, it's very similar. It takes about 7 minutes. From there on forward, you will be asked to give the details of the person who would be paying, which could be the student, it could be a parent, it could be a sibling, a brother, a nephew, a relative. And it's essentially, if they are with you, they can complete the application process there. If they're not with you, you can WhatsApp them a link, or you can email them a link, and yeah, they can accept the loan. It's very quick and simple.
And then after that's completed, you would get a call from a individual at Capitec who will take you through the next steps to complete the actual application. Then the funds are paid into Eduvos' account, so you don't have, as an applicant, you don't have to stress about getting the funds and then paying them into your institution's account.
That's awesome. So it's really seamless from getting your estimate right up to having your first day of class. That's awesome. And then does that cover anything else? Because it can be costly with textbooks and things like that. So does it cover any of those expenses as well?
Yes, it does. That's another advantage. If the invoice includes all your textbooks and all additional material that you might need, we do cover that. The loan does cover other educational expenses.
Wow, that's really cool. So can you tell us any top tips that you have for our students? Anything they need to be aware of when looking to finance their studies?
I think as a student, it's just identifying what it is that you want to study whilst in varsity, planning ahead, trying to see what you qualify for and what financing options you have, and also just pre-enrolling with Eduvos so that you're granted access to Capitec and see what you could qualify for.
Yeah. If you have enrolled, I think something that's very handy is if you can bring your enrollment certificate with you and you'll use that in the application journey. If you haven't enrolled yet, there's this pre-enrollment option that I think is world-class that Eduvos offers. And if you've done that, don't be scared to experiment with the Get Estimate link on the Capitec website. You can go and see whether you qualify for the finance. You don't have to take it up now, but then you have the comfort of knowing when the time is ready and you want to apply that the finance will be available.
And that's awesome, and that's why I think this relationship makes so much sense for us, and it's such an incredible partnership that, we, with our pre-enroll option, we're giving students the time to make these really important decisions in their lives. And I just want to say thank you so much for being here with us, with the most innovative bank in South Africa. We're here at Technopark in your beautiful offices, and we're just so excited about this partnership, and we look forward to chatting with you again. Thank you so much, Francois. Thank you, Tombi. Take care.
Thanks, guys.